Hello my lovelies, I am back again with another delicious video. Today we're going to be making Curtido Salvadoreño, so pump it! I'm going to start off this very colorful recipe with 1 carrot. I'm going to peel it, then I'm going to grate it, and I'm going to place it in my mixing bowl. I am making curtido for 2 people only, so if you're going to be making way more, you can double or triple the amounts. I'm going to do the same thing with my onion, slicing it too thin, not too thick, and placing it in my pot. And again, doing the same thing with my lovely red cabbage. Make sure you take the core out of it because if you don't, it could leave a bitter aftertaste. Next up, being extra cautious, I'm going to place boiling water all over my curtido, making sure that I cover it completely all the way to the top with the water. I'm going to then cover it with the lid so that it could steam up a little bit, and I'm going to place the timer for 5 minutes, allowing it to cook a little. And after 5 minutes, I have this beautiful purpley, pinkish type of curtido, I guess, waiting to get pumped up. So after its mini steam session, I'm now going to transfer the curtido to a glass jar, and I'm going to reserve about a cup of the juices for later. We're going to need that later on. Remember the juices that I mentioned? Well, we're going to add about a cup to a cup and a half back to the jar. Look at that color. Then we're going to go in and add about a half a cup to a cup of vinegar. It all depends on how strong you want your curtido to be. We're almost done, but we have to remember the teaspoon of oregano, the teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Of course, you could always modify the amounts. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to mix everything up really, really well, making sure that everything is incorporated and all those juices get flowing. And last but certainly not least, we're going to be placing a lid on this and putting it in the refrigerator. It's going to be there all night. And quick tip, the longer you have it sitting in your fridge, the more potent and delicious it's going to be. And voila, easy peasy Curtido Salvadoreño. We could have it with pastelitos, we could have this with pupusas, we could have it with yuca frita. Oh my god, my mouth waters. Also remember that we could also make this with green cabbage, with cauliflower. You could add jalapeños to it, you could add green or yellow or orange or red peppers, whatever you like. In the end, el curtido all on its own is delicious. I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. I hope you subscribe, and I will be back with more delicious videos from my home to yours. Bye-bye!